afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video of Harrison White, where this time we're going to be doing a review on a brand new Adventures engine I got last Sunday. So then, come on, wherever you are. That's right. Adventures Edward is now in the house. Ah, yes, I'm pleased I got Adventures Edward. Anyway, let's have a closer look at this engine, shall we? Okay. He's nice. Really? Can we just paint the running boards and buffers white and black, please? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Yeah. Still, I wish we'd have a hollow area for a cab. But still, I think he's a nice model. Yeah. Now let's have a look at his tender. Ooh, his tender's only got 4 wheels, and it's a Fowler tender. Typical. Yep. Oh, the buffers. Come on, please paint them black. Yeah. Anyway, right. I'm gonna bring in some other Edwards and do a comparison. Woo! Come on. Okay, let's do a comparison with Take Along Edward first of all. Okay. So, let me uncouple Edward's tender. And go. Okay. I've painted the Take Along Edward's running board white, while the Adventures Edward's running board is just painted red. The Take Along Edward's buffers are black, while the Adventures Edward's buffers are just red. It's got a square magnet, while Adventures Edward has a coupler. And Adventures Edward is a lot shorter than the Take Along Edward. His paintwork looks darker. Yep, now to bring in the Talking Edward. Yep, let's do a comparison on Talking Edward. Yep, I coloured in Edward's buffers black, while I painted his running board white. And he always sounds a lot like this. Yep. And their paintworks look similar. Oh, the Adventures Edward looks a bit shorter. I can see a speaker on the back of his cab while I can't on the Adventures Edward. Right. We're going to try something new today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let me just move my laptop forwards. Oh, sorry for the bad focus. And we're just going to have a little World's Fastest Engine Quick Edition for today. Okay, let's go with, come on Thomas, with Thomas versus Percy first. And then, oh sorry, apologise for the delays ladies and gentlemen, but please remain seated while I try and get Thomas in. Come on. Anyway, let's go. That one will have to go to Thomas, because there wasn't any way Percy could catch up. Well done, Thomas. Now, will it be James or Edward to face you for the finals? Okay. Looks like it'll be Edward. Okay. Final round, ladies and gentlemen. We have Thomas and Edward. Okay, let's go. Thomas and Edward. Okay. And it has to go to Thomas. Maybe next time, Edward. Well done, Thomas. Thank you. Anyway. So there you have it, folks. That was my review on the new Adventures Edward. Anyway. Say goodbye, Edward. Bye-bye. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave me a comment, subscribe, share, thumbs up, request, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time here on Harrison White. Goodbye.